you complete the following. Number 1, a plus 5 and 3 equal 8, b minus 1. The first question, a plus b, it will be equal 8.
8.
Then a, it will be equal 3. A plus 5 equal 8. By subtract 5 from the opposite side, then a equal 8 minus 5 equal 3. Okay? The second one, 3 equal b minus 1. 3 equal b minus 1. By adding 1 to the opposite side, then b, it will be equal 4. A equals 3 power 2 and b equal 4 power 2 under root by using calculator equal 5. اوكي في حد عنده اي استفسار في question number 1؟ question number 1 في اي حد عنده سؤال في number 1؟ okay number 2 if number of x power 2 equal 9 then number of x it will be equal
3.
3 يا مستر شكرا يا جن. Number 3 if number of y equal 3 and number of x times y equal 12. Number of y equal 3 then x times 3 equal 12, then number of x it will be equal 4 because of 4 times 3 equal 12. Then number of x power 2 it will be 4 power 2 equal 60. Number 4 if x equal 2 no miss not 6 again x equal 2 and y equal 3. Cartesian product between x and y it will be equal 2 times 3 it will be equal 2 with 3 the order pair between brackets of set. Okay okay number 4 فيها اي مشكله بالنسبه لاي حد فيكم يا شباب؟
لا.
طيب number 5 x equal 1 and 2 and y equal 3 4 then 3 with 4 belong to what? 3 and 4 belong to
4 ay.
no not 4 again if you write y power 2 it will be equal y times y y equal 3 and 4 times 3 and 4. How we can make a Cartesian product 3 times 3 and 3 times 4. Then 3 with 4 it will belong to y power 2. Okay, the order pair 3 with 4 belong to y power 2. Okay, number 6 2 times or Cartesian product with x and y equals 2 4 and 2 3. 2 times x then x equals 4. 2 times y equal 2 times 3 then y equal 3. Then x minus y it will be equal 4 minus 3 equal 1. Okay, number 7 if the points a and 5 belong to y axis then a equal If you draw the coordinate or the fourth coordinate or Cartesian, then any point on y-axis, it will be equal 0 and number of y. Then any number on y-axis or any order pair on y-axis, then the x-axis, it will be equal 0. Then a, it must be equal 0 to be belong to y-axis. Number 8, if the point 5 and b minus 7 belong to x-axis. 5 and b minus 7 belong to x-axis. If you draw any point on x-axis, it will be x and 0. Then b minus 7 must be equal 0, then b equal 7, because 7 times 7 minus 7 equal 0. Number 9, x minus 2 and x minus 4 lies in the fourth quadrant. Then x belongs to the fourth quadrant. The first, x positive and y positive. Second, x negative and y positive. And third, x negative and y negative. In the fourth, x positive and y negative. Then the answer, x minus 2 and x minus 4. We should choose the number which make x minus 2 to be positive and x minus 4 to be negative. Okay. The number which make x minus 2 positive and x minus 4 negative may be 5. 5 minus 2, it will be equal 3, and 3. 3 minus 2 equal 1, and 3 minus 4 equal negative 1. Then the answer, x equal 3. Okay, number 10, the set of image of each element of the domain of the function is called, the images of each element of the domain of the function is called the range. Okay. Number 11, the function f of x equal x power 5 minus 3x power 4 plus 1 is of degree, because the power here is 5, is of fifth degree. Okay. Number 12, the function f of x equal x times x minus x power 2 is a polynomial function of degree. If you times x with x and x with negative x power 2, the answer it will be x power 2 minus x power 3. Then the polynomial function, it will be with degree or third degree. Number 13, the function f of x equal x power 2 minus x power 2 minus 3x by distribution negative here. Then the answer it will be x power 2 minus x power 2 plus 3x. X power 2 will cancel with x power 2. Then the answer it will be 3x. Then this polynomial function, it will be from the first degree. Number 14, f of x equal 4, then f of 4 divided by f of 10, it will be equal f of 4, it will be equal 4, and f of 10, it will be equal also 4, because here f of x, there aren't any x in this equation, then 4 divided by 4 equal 1.
1.
Number 15, f of x equals 2, then f of 3 minus f of 1, it will be equal f of 3, it will be equal 2, like the previous example, and f of 1, it will be equal 2, then 2 minus 2, it will be equal
0.
number 16, f 4x power 2 equal 9y power 2, then x over y. By dividing y to the both side and divided 4 for the both side, then the answer it will be x power 2 over y power 2 equal 9 over 4. In the question, he wants to know the value of x over y by taking the square root for this relation. Then the answer it will be 3 over 2. Number 17, a plus 2b divided by a minus b equal 2 over 3. Then b over a, it will be equal by taking the cross multiplication for the boss's side. Then 3 times a plus 2b equal 2 times a minus b by distribution 3, then 3a plus 6b equal 2 times a and 2 times b, it will be 2a minus 2b. By putting a in the left hand side and b in right hand side, then the answer it will be 3a minus 2a equal 1a, and negative 2b minus 6b equal negative 8b. Then b divided by, sorry, so b divided a, it will be equal 1 divided by negative 8. Number 19, f 4 over x equal 7 over y equal b over y minus x. Y minus x here, it will be y minus x, then it will be equal 7 minus 4, then b equal 3. Number 20, the positive middle proportional between a and b is, okay, the middle proportional between a and b, it will be a over c equal c over b, because he wants to know the middle proportional between a and b, then this relation it will be continuous proportional. Then by crossing multiplication, then c times c equal c power 2 equal a times b. By taking the square root for the both side, then c equal positive or negative square root for a times b, then the middle proportional equal positive or negative a b. Okay, number 21, y varies with 1 over root x then x varies with, okay, by making a cross multiplication, then this relation, it will be root x over 1 varies with 1 over y by taking the square root for the both side, then x varies with 1 over y power 2. Then the answer of this question, then x varies with 1 over y power 2. Number 22, if a over b equal c over d equal e over f equal m, then if we note that this is a proportional, e, it will be equal f m, and c equal dm, and a equal bm, then the answer, it will be ACE divided by BDF. It will be equal by substitution A with BM and C with DM and E with FM divided by BDF. By cancel B with B and D with D and F with F, the remaining M and M and M. So M times M times M equal M power 3. Number 23, the most common value of set of individuals is equal. The most common value of a set of individuals, it is equal the most common value of set of individuals is called mood. A question from prep 2 or prep 1. Number 24, the last question with us. If summation of x minus x bar power 2 equal 28 for the set 7 values, then the standard division of them, it will be equal summation of x minus x bar power 2 equal 28 for the set of 7 values. The standard division, it will equal summation of x minus x bar power 2 divided by number under square root, then the answer, it will be equal 28 divided by 7 under square root equal root 4 equal 2. Okay, this is our finish our session today. Hope to meet you again, and goodbye.